What up, peeps? We're at Bircham Nature Reserve today for a quick exploration, starting from Blunt's Lane, working our way up to Miller Way in Plymouth. Without further ado, let's begin the walk. Look at all those deers. Look at all those chickens. Sorry, old meme. I refuse to do the new memes because the new memes are stupid. Especially 6-7. But anyway, enough of that. We need to proceed on with our journey. Because it's a bit muddy today. Although it says Derriford Community Park, it's still part of Bircham. And that's of course they're completely renaming Bircham to Derriford Park. Oh my god, it's muddy, I may have regret this. Oh wow. I am committed. And to be fair, I haven't been here in ages, man. So, enough talk. Time to make my way back. I used to be here all the time when I was in uni, just because this place is so peaceful. It's no Luxillian, I'll give it that. It's no Luxillian. Luxillian would always be a very special place to me. It started off my days of exploring, and it was just beautiful, man. Although it's technically not classed as Luxillian, Ponce Mill's also, in my eyes, classed as Luxillian because it was part of the journey to Luxillian for me. And they removed the bridge, which is a bit of a ball ache, isn't it? I think the closest thing that Bircham has on Luxillian is the fact that there is a stream. That's it. Oh, and of course a shit ton of hills, but that's just England in general. It also has multiple paths, multiple ins, multiple outs. Whereas Luxillian gets to enter from Ponce Mill, St Blaise, Luxillian, and that's all I'm aware of so far. I regret my decisions. No, I don't. I just go for a bit of a walk. A bit of a wander. Okay. I forgot about this. You guys haven't been here in a while. That was not as bad as what I thought it would look like. Okie dokie. We continue. My socks are wet. The river is stream. It's a stream. It comes from Bircham. It is a stream. It does not link to the sea. Tried to follow that stream in my second year of uni. I got so far. It wasn't my first year. I know the first time I got stopped by a gate, and it was there was a nice little stone surface area. I used to throw stones into the water all the time. And then Plymouth Council decided to alter it, and that area got completely flooded. But in it, like these wooden dams all the way throughout. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Yeah, I like Luxillian. It's peaceful. But my shoes are muddy, so I'm probably going to have to go clean them up when I get back. Joys. Another part of the stream up there, though it's more like a bog now. I think I'm just going to head straight out because it's way too muddy. So we'll do the short path today. But at least I've uploaded it, huh? Because I also need to clean my shoes and cross this stream. Although I'll say it's more like a creek. Actually, I'm just going to walk through it, clean my shoes a bit. My feet are wet. But at least my shoes are clean. I do feel gross doing that. But it beats having ridiculously muddy feet. Before I head back, I might have to catch a bus because my shoes are muddy. And I've just walked through fucking look at Bircham. My socks are wet. I could head that way back to the swing. Or I could clear out a good chunk. Yeah, so I had a gazillion shortbread. I'm going to go the long way round. Screw it. It's been a while since I've been here. I reckon I can get this done in 3 different parts. Maybe 4. Depending on which way I go. And how wet I want to get. Okay, so it's a bit better this way actually. I'm getting a shower when I get home. Earphones falling off. Whew. It's like walking up mini heart attack hills repetitively. Just for I've already gone for a woods walk. I am sweating my tits off. But I push on. I'll just have to hope there's a puddle or something. Or I'll just scrape my shoes clean, I guess. Shoes in the wash. And use my battered, damaged shoes tomorrow. That sounds like a plan of action, if I'm being honest. That's the problem with me. I don't think, I just do. And sometimes it's a good world to live in. Sometimes I wish I knew what I was doing instead of just doing. Thought I heard Star Wars theme then. Do 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 do. I'm gonna stop before I get copyrighted. Probably won't, but let's see if it's sorry. More of a stream, although it's not really a stream here. It's more of a creek. Huh? I miss this place. Granted, it's better in the summer when it's dry. I like how it talks about trout, but there's literally no trout in the river. And it's not a river, it's a stream, and I don't think there will be any fish in there. I like the fact that they're encouraging to... Oh, lovely. You know what, how bad... Oh, that's how bad it can be. Oh boy. I'm going to have to clean my shoes again. Because I'm not going anywhere with my shoes like this. Yeah, here's good. I mean, it's not the best, but It's better as can be, and now my shoes are wet. Hopefully they dry by the time I get back. Not that they're going in the wash anyway. There isn't much down there, it's just a quick probably like 2-minute walk or something like that. But that's going to conclude this video. 10-minute walk, always joyous and stuff like that. Bye.